Dear subscribers, they'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you see on your iPhone, so in your Safari could not connect to the server, so how you can also fix it. So for fixing it, first thing you can try, just go to the settings, just close your Safari and just open it again. And if it doesn't help you, just check your Wi-Fi. If you're using Wi-Fi, just try to turn it off and turn on again. And if you use cellular data, just open cellular data, just try to turn it off and turn on again. So another thing you can try to turn on airplane mode, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. So after you can try to restore your phone, so just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power the phone again, so just simply restore your phone. And if you still have this error, so you can also just try to update your phone, so just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.